All right, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to Learn Voice with Ace. This is Samayide, and in today's class, I'm going to be walking into what we call market outlook. Do not forget, last week we came here as well, and we predict the market, and I've done a video about that, a feedback and a review on some of the market we predicted. How some of them played out perfectly well, and of course, I did a breakdown and everything like that. However, I'm not going to go back for on that today. I'm going to be moving forward and telling you what you expect for this new week. As you all know, our accuracies have been so crazy and insane. We have about 80% accuracy in the market, and anyone that follows us actually make money. If you are very first time for just watching my video, I want to watch you, I want to congratulate you, and of course, wish you good stay and good time watching us because you're going to be making money with us right here. And I want to urge you as well to subscribe to this channel because we're going to be doing more of this on this channel. And as well, you can join us on Telegram as well. I think this very week we had about 15 trade. We lost just one. We won 14. So the accuracy is consistent and the accuracy is crazy. It's insane. So I want to ask you to join me. So my first trade for this today's week is EURJPY. I'm looking for a buy, and of course, the buy should still continue after the after the break on this. The buy should continue. Market should probably retest, but I'm not convinced if this retest has completed a full retest. Probably can still come back to this place or this one around here, then we'll continue the buy. That is for Euro JPY as well. Same thing to GBPUSD, but the market broke away. Let me show you market book. Many people lost their position on this market and this trade. I was watching it patiently because it was more or less like a dilemma. I was hoping that either it breaks out or it breaks downward. Then I will take my decision. See what happened, guys. After this middle area of concentration, market break upward. Let me show you. Let me show you. Market was here. So I was hoping that to stop here because of this was a trend line. The market break inward. The market break out there. So of course we'll continue to buy it. It's gonna be a long. It's gonna be a long after we make this sell. Yeah, I took my profit around here. I was waiting for reaction to further sell, but market didn't. I waited about immediately I saw this push. I think about market has break this closure. Then it's gonna be buying. It's gonna be buying, guys. So what happened was just because of for Trump that tweeted. He tweeted about Iran and some of the agreements they had with Iran that Iran will stick to the agreement and stuff like that. That was how this mongoose spike came, and then it resulted into a buy. However, looking forward to a little bit pullback probably to this point, and of course we can go long, but ultimately, I'm positioning myself for long on this market, guys. Long on this market, guys. Long. Probably market my open with a gap and come back here, then we can long. Aside from that, I also have EURUSD as well. I'm looking for it to come here so I can long as well. Same thing happens. Don't forget, same happens on Friday last week Friday, where Trump tweeted about the ongoing war about Iran, and that was what happened about. That was also brought about the spike. So I'm waiting for a retest, then we can long. And then the other one is I don't have much to this. I mean, and let me show you. I think the last one for today is this. Yeah, is this GDPJPY. GDPJPY. You can see. Let me show you on the longer pair. You can see we have this middle is the area of concentration. After we created another flow here, we had a high here. Market is showing this is what they call this two bar is called what this pin bar. Market is there is a rejection on the cycle level. That shows a strong rejection. Once I see rejections, strong rejection on the cycle level on this cycle, it shows what that market are rejecting the sell and they want to what they want to go upward. They want to go forward. So that's why this. And then of course we see a double bottom forming again and market engulfs it again. So the retest should come probably to this point. You can see where I set my alarm here. There's alarm already here. So once market comes back to this my alarm here, I want to shoot by long guys. Bam. So that's all for today. I don't have much there. That's all for today. I'm looking out for today. And don't forget any of them we're gonna be doing possibly this for the whole of the week. Because some of our trades are always bam and banger. and most of them played out throughout for the week. If it's telling you to sell, you sell out for the sell to buy. It's throughout the week. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, let me know. And of course, let me know if any of them that suits you, any pair that you'll be taking that appeal more to you, and those ones that you'll be considering to take for the new week. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I wish you a lovely and profitable week ahead. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.